Welcome to the End Munich 2023. Next to me, James Soh from Plixir. And well, it was quite a big announcement you had for this year's End Munich, because you have a new power supply and a new cable. Well, you mentioned that some people wanted even better devices than the current power supply, and you built one.
Yes, the current elite power supply, we have had it for probably 6 to 7 years.
Yeah.
So it's during this time we have some product ideas and some concepts that we feel will improve the performance of the elite power supply.
Yeah.
And there's quite a big customer demand for even better performance for power supply. So
People always want something better, but it's really hard to build something better than the Elite, I think.
thank you very much. So the thing is, if we want to come up with a new product, it has to be better in every way. Yes. So it took us some time to get the concept and the design of the materials, especially the custom transformers.
There's quite a story behind these transformers. This one is a lot bigger than this one, but you mentioned it's the same power.
Yes. This is the like for like. This is the one we use in the Elite, and this is the one we use for the new statement. They are in the same power, but the winding design is a bit different. Yes. The old Elite, it's using a balanced power transformer, but it's not the circuit design is balanced. It's a circuit design. It's a balanced transformer. But the new one that we use for the statement power supply is a true balanced transformer, whereby the windings are wound in a different manner. So that accounts for the big increase in size as compared to the old Elite transformer.
Okay, but some people might think, yeah, cool, I already have a balanced design.
Yes.
Why would I need a balanced transformer, fully balanced? Because it's a lot bigger, it's a lot more expensive, it's a lot more complex to wind, so price goes up.
Yes.
In the end, what will people notice when they buy the new one, the statement?
Yeah. The noise floor actually went down a few notches. Yep, and then details come out more. There's a very organic flow to the sound. Yep, and then the body of the sound is also better. We were shocked when we complete the design and hear it. Actually, it's really a step. We were thinking probably improvement, but it's a real step up.
I can imagine, because we already know how important the power supply is. We did a lot of research on that topic, and well, readers from Alpha Audio are used to us that we will try to prove stuff so they can read all those articles. But there was something else, and that intrigued me. It had to do with grounding.
Yes.
It uses two concepts.
Yes. This time round, we have combined the benefits of both plain ground and a star ground. Previously, we were designing with plain ground. That's good for high speed and the noise, high frequency, yes. And this time round, we have a new concept, and we combine both the plain ground and the star ground together. So it's a merit of both high frequency noise and low frequency noise, yes, reduction.
Yeah, I tried to ask you how you did that, because you won't tell.
I cannot tell, but it's only possible with a truly balanced transformer. Yes.
Okay, that sounds extremely interesting. Can you tell me something about the price difference between the Elite and the Statement?
Yes. The statement is priced around 80% more than the Elite. Yes. Yeah.
Complex.
It's more complex, and this time around we come with the German-made B-fly footers. They improve the sound as well, and the special transformers. Yeah. Yes. And
I think it's important to tell that these are all custom winded for you.
Yes. According to my specs by Noratel, custom wind for us only.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Noratel is not a cheap brand.
They are not. They are not. Yes.
Then there's something with a new power cable.
Yes.
Um,
We have the old statement power cable. It's also a few years already. With the statement and our balanced power conditioners, the old statement power cable is actually provide a reference sound, but there are customers that want even more. So this time around we have the new Supreme power cable. It uses the OCC copper, yes, and then with upgraded Furutech NCF power sockets. The winding construction and the termination method is also different from the statement. So all in, it gives the same neutral sound, lower noise floor, but with more body to the sound and more air.
How do you measure noise floor in a cable?
Yeah, for us, it's all by listening. Yeah. At the end of the day, it's a user experience. So the noise for us for a cable, we have to listen. It's a feel. Yes.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And thank you for introducing these nice new products. And we will get a sample really soon, I think, from your colleague in the Netherlands. So we'll keep in touch.
Definitely. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the interview.